Okay, so I've found it. This is the op place with no name. Follow me. Come with me, Em. And it's just. I hope I don't get run over. Come on, this way. Anyway, this place is a famous place in Vung Tau, and it doesn't have a name. I'm just going to make sure I don't get run over. And it's only a 5-minute motorbike ride from Fusion Suites in that direction. So I've been told by my local source that this is one of the best op places in Vung Tau, if not Vietnam. So let's go and check it out. Okay, so here I am with my good friend Mr Dinh from Coco Homestay down the road there.
Yeah,
Ha Long, yeah, on Ha Long Street, and we're sharing a lunch today together, and we've come to the op place with no name.
No name.
I think it's op Hong Ten.
Op Hong Ten. Yeah,
I think unofficially. What is it? This is new. This is I guess a clam.
Clam with garlic, onions, and onions in it,
and lots of bits and shallots. I think. Yeah. So let's give it a go, hey?
Tasty.
Oh yeah. Yeah. So it's a pretty easy process. They get them at the market in the morning. She brings them here. I think she gets up at 6 o'clock, goes to the market, gets them at the market.
So I think she probably get it not from the market, directly from the
from the boat.
But from the boat.
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
That's why it's so fresh.
Yeah.
Everything's still alive.
Yeah. All alive. So we came here and chose what we wanted. And the other one, I don't know what you call this. I think
Loa.
In Australia, we probably call it like a pippy. It's like a little sort of pippy clam thing. I don't know where they grow. Do they get them on the beach?
On the beach, yeah.
Yeah, in the sand, under the sand.
Under the sand. Yeah.
Yeah, so it's very similar to what we would call a pippy in Australia.
They can grow bigger. The biggest size is like about 3 times bigger than this.
Okay.
Yeah. A lot of costume.
I think she's put a bit of cheese in it as well, hasn't she?
Yeah, let me ask her.
It's good though.
Yeah, it's very good.
I don't know if it's good for my waistline. It's so good. I recommend it. So when you come to Vung Tau, look for the tree that's painted blue at the base. And there's a small shrine there as well, and there's a coffee shop around the corner. But
close to the beach?
She's close to the beach. Probably what?
And it's 35,000 per dish. Yeah. That's about 150, 160.
That's 30,000 worth just there. Okay, here's our next one. Look at Mr Dinh going for it. I can just hear him sucking that thing out.
It's so juicy and good. I can look inside and out.
It is good, isn't it? It is good. Now, tell me what these are.
This is op Hung.
Op Hung. Yeah, op Hung. So you have to dig these babies out with a little... This is the second time I've burnt myself at this place. What is that? You got to dig these babies out with a little little implement.
Yeah. Let me get it. They probably.
This can work. This can work here, but sometimes in Saigon they'll give you a pin, so you eat with a pin to dig these babies out, and they're coated in chili, garlic. Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah, this little tool here, very important. Should be in all Swiss Army knives. This one, especially when you're in Vietnam. Chili, garlic, onion.
Onion.
Yeah, it's kind of sweet too. Might be a bit of a sweet chili sauce on it, perhaps, but it's just a bit hot at the moment.
Yeah, let me try.
Let me try straight in your mouth. Look at this. So when you eat these babies here, you pop them like what Mr Dinh did. He popped it straight in his mouth first, so you can take advantage of what the lady has put on it. Sweet, spicy, garlicky.
Still hot.
That wasn't a tooth, by the way. And dig this baby out like that. I'm a bit unco at it, but there you go. Look at this sucker coming out here now. Whoops. Sorry about that. There you go. Have a look at that. So you've got to have quite a few to have a decent feed, but you know, dip it in the chili sauce. Good.
Con này thì nó mát.
Stacy.
Tasty though.
This is actually the second time I've been back on this trip.
My
It's
first
just-
one really nice.
Yeah. Here we go. The Mom Tai finger down the hatch.
Tasty and juicy, right?
Oh, tasty. Wow, that was some of the best op I've had since I've been living in Vietnam, and I've had a lot, especially in District 4 in Saigon. Now, on a hot summer's day, well, it's winter I think here, but it's still hot. On a hot afternoon, there's only one thing to do after a big couple of plates or 4 plates of op is to come to Beach Club on Back Beach, or Bai Sao as they say in Vietnamese, and have a nice icy cold beer in the shade and just watch the surfers or the kite surfers go around. Until my next foodie adventure in Vung Tau, I'm gonna have a beer and chill out. Cheers. Yeah.